we bring to you today's news bulletin. Before going to the details, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates first ski park at Tura. Meghalaya government hands over land for Holiday Inn Resort project in Tura. Meghalaya activates tight vigil along Indo-Bangladesh border to prevent infiltration smuggling ahead of Bangladesh general elections. Nationalist Congress Party releases first list of candidates for GHADC polls. And Meghalaya trade unions join nationwide strike. Council slams labour courts, raises charter of demands. The news in detail. First, the local news. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday inaugurated the first skate park in Garo Hills at Government College, Tura, under the Sports Infrastructure Development Project supported by Decathlon through CSR. In his address, Chief Minister expressed satisfaction over the project's completion, highlighting the importance of creating positive spaces for youth and noting growing demand for skateboarding infrastructure. He also announced plans to host local, state and national level skateboarding competitions in the future.
And they shall proceed straight away towards.
So we just inaugurated the first skate park here in Garo Hills,
and so I'm very happy and I'm confident that our young skaters, skateboarders, who we always see in different small parks on the footpath, trying to enjoy, but having challenges, difficulties, traffic, public, will finally have a place and a space of their own. In today's world, we need to be able to provide that space to our youngsters, to be able to provide that opportunity to our youngsters. Whether it's sports, whether it's music, or any other form of activity.
The Department of Tourism formally handed over land for the proposed Holiday Inn Resort Tura to Intercontinental Hotels Group at a ceremony held in Hotel Polo Orchid, attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Tourism Minister Timothy D. Shira and other dignitaries. The 130 crore project is expected to strengthen high-quality accommodation, boost tourism, create jobs and support Meghalaya's vision of a $10 billion economy while complementing community-based tourism and upcoming connectivity and homestay initiatives ahead of the National Games 2027.
The 10 opportunities that we have while we try to reach the $10 billion economy. And the 10 commitments that we have, because economic development must also have equity. It must also ensure that development reaches all. So while I'm building roads worth 5,000 crores, how is my farmer benefiting? How is my health sector improving? How are the children benefiting? How are we providing better social care to our elderly people? The entire story is knitted together.
As Bangladesh votes in its 13th general election, Meghalaya has activated a multi-layered security grid along the international border to prevent infiltration, smuggling and any spillover. Police and BSF have intensified round-the-clock patrolling. Naka checks and joint operations, especially in vulnerable stretches of East Khasi Hills. Superintendent of Police Vivek Singh said the alert has been in place since December, with border police stations Mausinram, Shela and Pinorsla on maximum vigilance. Authorities say the focus is on stopping illegal entry and dismantling cross-border criminal networks amid the politically sensitive situation in neighbouring Bangladesh.
See, the existing police stations and the tactical teams have been given the instruction to actually prioritize the border, move for routine patrols, and also for random surprise patrols along with BSF in the border. We have about 3 police stations which are actually in our border. One is Mausinram, the other is Shela, and the last one is Punusla. There's close coordination with the PSF to tackle infiltration, to tackle border crimes, and there are MCPs set up in many places, and the joint checking of BSF and state police is being done together. Time to time also the tactical teams move down there to ensure there's no infiltration of any subversive elements. We are in close touch with the local stakeholders from those places.
Cabinet Minister and senior NPP leader Wailat Miki Shila has ruled out Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's resignation after the East Jantia Hills coal mine tragedy. Government take full responsible action. Decision on the head of the judicial inquiry is pending, and strict action has been ordered against those responsible. Shila stated rescue teams believe no bodies remain in sight, welcomed a possible CI crack that the legal
casual now in the put out from our mere time there well and on the ground the area.
With being the up and release of its it NCP and for fully confident strong performance NCP has willingness to welcome Dr. Mukul Party said
NCP party the party request a party. So NCP party started in we are preparing we are under with but the election declare
council joined the nation against what it cooperate. General Secretary the four the council drafts bill and proposed restoration of EGA in regularization and for N and nurses and 5 posts.
Which the NREG scrap the guarantee that under the scheme, under the MG.
Corporation Limited in solidarity workers nationwide. Union leader the agitation electricity employees and engineers alleging the briefs for consumers and regularized contract service nature.
Actually, this bill will it is we could understand there'll be monopoly. The electricity tariff will go over even the right for employees, so maybe violated. Bill the public oriented.
MLA Adelbert Nong rains causing severe during the rainy season. Officials and local logging along the stretch. Each channels will flow and prevent further hardship to the public.
Smart city kadang propose biang support yang by minister in charge is song department mana dia kem hirup kani kan nong kani po jerut ada ke kamram
to roll workers memorandum raising concerns over us in government response for the past year. Workers are certain about their welfare. It demands implementation of 2025 inclusion the consumer index to ensure fair
Labor Department Meghalaya keempat menteri kami isu kaya jinggia kalau tak tam giba tribal giba kasorka Tanya kan ni halor kan nam.
Youth participate, announced DSO West 2020 and non-profit groups, alumni associations such as environmental awareness, and accommodation.
We have introduced one new scheme year. Are associations, committee
At DC office, Nongstoin, use of resources. Address on protecting remain low. He noted that has improved under JJM with 90% central and that 8 to 5 villages. Access to the Sonidan sub-center. Earlier, an unpaved ensure adequate drinking water supply and improve essential news. Witness a historic on the Moran bypass. 0.2 nation, which will function and helicopters and carried out a trial. Now from National. Sitharaman presented a focus on the yesterday the finance
Prime Minister said before the comment similars, but India should have a lead in biologics
Nations across Bangladesh towards restoring democracy. On and in T20 World Cup 2020 Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi with the Jasprit Bumrah favorites. Namibia captained by Jahites in the national capital. Hills, the cooperative society takes on the veterinary day tournament featuring football, wildlife. Jante Hills by scoring all out with Dr. E. Wildlife were both 43. Let's take degrees Celsius, max degrees Celsius. Ahead of Congress Party or GHADC